Hi guys, my name is Peter, and in the following short introduction series we'll look into 3D printing, the technologies behind it, and what it can do for you as a first-time user. So let's start! 3D printing is one of the most exciting current technologies and it has many uses. That said, it is, from an outside view, quite far from easily approachable, and getting into it may seem like a daunting task at first. While it may seem complicated, I think the actual learning curve is much less steep than it appears, and the amount of good even a cheap 3D printer can do for you at home or in school is great. So, let's talk technologies! 3D printing is essentially a process of creating a real, three-dimensional object from a digital 3D model. This is done by fusing together material layer by layer. There are many ways through which you can achieve this, but by far the most accessible one, and the one used here in my Panospace One, is called FFF, short for Fused Filament Fabrication. In the FFF process, 3D print is formed by melting solid material, most likely some sort of plastic in filament form, into a liquid that is then extruded onto a build plate in layers by printhead. In the end, solidifying into the final 3D print after cooling off. This process is the most widely used one in consumer machines, covering everything from simple 3D printers from home and education, all the way to the most expensive semi-professional ones. Alright guys, that would be it for this very short introduction into 3D printing technologies. In the next part of this series, we'll walk through the most important parts of a 3D printer. So stay tuned! Like this video if you liked it, share it if you found it interesting, and subscribe to see more 3D printing content.